How to fix Ulta app issue. If you are experiencing issue with an Ulta app such as login failure, checkout error, or freezing, you can resolve most problem by following these steps. First thing, you want to make sure to check your internet connection. So go to settings on your device and make sure that you're connected to a stable internet. You could also switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi at the same time. And while you're on the same page, you want to make sure to go to app section. There, you want to make sure to select See All Apps and locate Ulta from the list. You can simply go ahead and clear cache and data, as sometimes this can help you fix temporary glitch as well. So like this, you just want to make sure to go to storage and cache and make sure to clear cache, and that's how you will be able to fix. Next, you also want to make sure to check for an update. Sometimes it could be with the outdated version. So you might want to go to your app store and type in Ulta on the web address on the search bar and type in, or make sure to update the app to the latest version as well. In some cases, if you are using any sort of VPN, then you might also want to disable that, as it can cause issue. And if nothing works out, a simple restart can also fix. You might want to try that as well. So these are some of the ways you could try or fix your Ulta app issue. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.